Hey y'all, Lily here. Today I will be showing you a quick and easy tutorial on how I use the print and cut features in Silhouette Studio. I remember struggling with this so much when I first started. I always followed these steps and I haven't had any issues since. If you want to learn how I go about using this feature, keep on watching. So here we have Silhouette Studio open and ready to go. First thing we need to do is set up the page layout. We will do this by clicking the Open Page Setup panel on the far right corner. This is what it looks like. I will be clicking the media size. This is very important. My printer only prints up to 8.5 by 11, so this is the option I will be selecting. Now Silhouette shows me how much space I'm working with, more or less. I recommend clicking Show Print Border. This is more of an accurate size to what is actually going to be printed out. And now let's head over to this third tab. This is the registration mark section. This needs to be switched to on. This way, when we send it to our printer, it prints the registration marks correctly, so when it's sent to the Cameo, it knows exactly what needs to be cut. If you click on the inset bar, you can size the registration marks to your liking. As you can see, the registration mark border goes past the print border. We need to fix that because it's going to confuse the Cameo and not give an accurate cut. I like to adjust it down 2 sizes. This way, when everything prints and the machines are communicating, it knows exactly what to do. Now we just need to drop in our design and place it where it needs to be. Now take a moment and print out your design. Go to File and print your design. Send it to whatever printer you're using. Now that you have your image printed with your registration marks, we're going to click the Send Tab button. So this is what it should be looking like. Whatever is in the bold red outline is what the Cameo will be cutting. I like to zoom in and see what's actually going to be cut. Now we will be heading over to the material section and we will be choosing the type of material we're going to be using. I will be using cardstock for this demonstration. I will also be using a ratchet blade, so I will manually adjust it to cut at about a 4. If you are using an auto blade, whatever material you select, it will automatically adjust to cut out the material. After all these steps have been taken, now it's time to hit that blue send button and send it over to your Cameo. And now your Cameo is going to begin to read your registration marks that you set in Silhouette Studio. If everything was set correctly, it will begin to cut them out. You can see here, this process is very smooth and easy. It's cutting out every single square perfectly. This process does take some time. It just depends on your design, so just be patient with it. I'm going to go ahead and just let it play out. As you can see, it's cutting each one perfectly, taking its time. There's no rush here. And now that it's done cutting, you can see that it did a great job. Nice straight lines. That one's coming up already. It's ready to come out. And now it's time to remove it from your cutting mat. And it should lift up effortlessly, as we see here. Oh, that one got stuck. But still, no problems, no issues, perfect squares. It definitely took me many tries to get this right. Lots of wasted paper, lots of mistakes were made. It was rather frustrating going through all the trial and errors, but I hope this video helps you out and saves you time and materials. Thank you so much for watching this video. Should you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments down below and I will do my best to assist you.